Alright, so today we're going to be finding the equation from a table. And we're going to be taking what you did last week in Level Up and where you found the change of y over change of x and using that to help start our equation. So first, you don't need, sorry, that's not right. So you don't need this. So we're just going to start on number 1. And so we're going to find the change of y over change of x. So the change of y here is plus 2. And the change of here is plus 1. So that means you get a 2 over 1, which is 2. So the start of my equation is y equals 2x. And now what we're trying to do is find the back. So the way what we do to find the back is you have to look at your x value. So here's the x side. And we're trying to figure out when x is 0. So x is 0 right here. So when x is 0, y is 6. That's a positive 6, so it means this is plus 6. So my equation will be y equals 2x plus 6. Now, we're going to find number 2. We're going to do the change of y. So the change of y is minus 4. The change of x is plus 1. So this is negative 4 over 1, which is negative 4. So my equation starts off with y equals negative 4x, and you're trying to find the back. So we need to look at our x values when x is 0. So when x is 0, right here, y is 10, and it's a plus 10. So my equation is y equals negative 4x plus 10. So now we're going to do number 3. So we're going to find the change of y. So 23 to a 16 is minus 7. Negative 2 to a negative 1 is plus 1. So that's negative 7 over 1, which is negative 7. So my equation starts off with y equals negative 7x. And you're trying to find the back. So we're looking when x is 0. We're looking at these x's. X is 0 right here. So it means y is 9. So that means it's a plus 9. So my equation is y is equal to negative 7x plus 9. All right, number 4, change of y is plus 50. Change of x plus 1. So that's going to be 50 over 1, which is 50. So that means my equation starts off with y equals 50x. And I need a back. So look, when x is 0, I'm only looking at these numbers, not the y, to start. So right here, x is 0, so y is 200. So it means this is plus 200. So my equation is y equals 50x plus 200 is my answer. Okay, so number 5, you're going to find the change of y. So the change of y is a minus 1, and this is a plus 3. So that's a negative 1 over 3, which equals negative 1/3. So my equation starts off with y equals negative 1/3 x. And I don't know the back. So I'm going to look at one of my x's, but we're on a problem. There's no 0 here. What I do notice is that every time x goes down 1, y goes up 3. Down 1, up 3. Down 1, up 3. Down 1, up 3. And I need to get the x to 0. So I need to go down 3. And so if I go down 3, I'll have to go up 1. Which is negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So this is plus 0. So my equation is y equals negative 1/3 x. Okay, next one. Negative 6 to a negative 4 is plus 2. This is plus 2. So that means it's 2 over 2, which is 1. So my equation is y is equal to 1x. But I really don't need to write that 1 because you only see 1x here. So now I need to find the back. But again, I run into the problem where there's no zeros. So I need to figure out when the 0 is. So my pattern right now is every time I add 2 on y, I add 2 on x. Add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. So I would have to take away 2. So that means I have to take away 2 here. And negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8. So that means this is minus 8. So my equation is y equals x minus 8.